What is the order of operations? Let's watch and learn. The order of operations simply dictate the order in which mathematical operations are performed in an expression to ensure that the result is precisely correct. Let me introduce to you the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. That can be shortened as PEMDAS as an acronym. Easy, right? Now, let's have an example equation here to demonstrate. Which is 43 plus 5 times 5. Firstly, we should multiply the numbers in the parentheses as it should come first. That makes 25. Afterwards, we should add the two remaining numbers. That means that we should add 43 and 25 together. That makes 68 as our result. See, now you've got the hang of it. I'll give you some questions here and try answering them on your own. Remember the order to not give you a hard time. I'll give you around a minute or so to answer all the questions. Good luck. All right, friend. Are you done? 1 minute has already passed. Now, I will show you the answers. Feel free to comment how much you've gotten correct out of 6. Thank you for watching, learners. Have a great day. I do hope you guys enjoyed my video. Keep learning.